Welcome friends, hope you all are safe and healthy. Friends, as we all are aware that today whole world is suffering from coronavirus since January 2020. This virus has spread its wings in the entire world and it has got intensified from February 2020. As now, medical team and WHO has also confirmed that this virus mainly infects lungs, and from astrological point of view as well, this virus has got triggered due to effect of Rahu. This year total is also 4, which signifies Rahu from numerological point of view, and from Kal Purush horoscope as well. Rahu is in 4th house and 4th house is of lungs and chest. Now look from astrological point of view how this virus spread and affected whole world. In November 2019, Jupiter and Ketu conjunction was there in Sagittarius. Ketu is for virus and Jupiter, being benefic planet, signifies life force. They both were in Sagittarius sign, and Sagittarius sign is also fiery sign, and its own sign of Jupiter as well started making its effect, and coronavirus started coming from China. During the month of February 2020, Mars, another fiery planet, joined Jupiter and Ketu in Sagittarius, exploded this virus, and this virus spreaded its wings all over the world. Now the whole world is locked down due to this coronavirus, and we all are scared as well. But friends, this is not end of the world, as there is always light at the end of the tunnel. On 30th of March, Jupiter has entered Capricorn sign, and on 14th of April, Sun enters its exalted sign, which is Ashwini Nakshatra. Ashwini is considered doctor of gods, which indicates that successful medicine would be discovered, which will be antidote for the virus in human being. Jupiter in Capricorn also gives us wisdom to apply knowledge to our lives and will tell us to maintain hygiene, not spitting on the roads, and to be a responsible citizen. This phase will go, friends, by imparting sound knowledge and common sense in all the people. So, in the month of September, Ketu and Rahu will change its position, and then we will be getting relief from this disease. So friends, stay safe and indoors for the time being. All the best. Thank you.